Mudras, they help you to align with universal powers, universal energies. There are plans for each body, there are plans for each spirit. The secret of your existence, your spirit and mind, if they are strong, your body will grow, your body will evolve. Pranam. Prayers for you and your loved ones. Today we will learn a very easy and very powerful technique which will help you to grow in your life. The science of mudras is the process which can build your container. If you practice mudras daily with discipline, you will grow physically, mentally, and spiritually. And the best part of mudras is they are very easy to perform. All can practice mudras, whether you are a child, an adult, or you are with age. You can practice mudras and you can reap the benefit of this technique. Mudras, they work for you when you are aligned with your body, with your mind, and with your spirit. These techniques, they are like formulas, like how you have your password with your mobile, and only you know how to decode your password, how to enter and get the access of your mobile, like that. When you learn these powerful techniques, you will have understanding and power to decode your own system. You must be wondering that sometime you are desiring something and it happens as it is. And sometime you are so forceful, you want that particular thing, but it never comes to you. So why it is happening? There must be some reason. There must be some issue, some glitch, which is not favorable for the outcome. You are studying, and you want to be number one in your college, in your school, but something happens and you don't achieve your goal, you don't achieve your target. Now, in this, if you sit down and if you meditate, you will find out the actual problem was your preparation. If you would have done little better studies, if you would have done little better than your person who came first, then naturally you will achieve that level. But why you missed that preparation? What happened to your body? What happened to your mind? What happened to your circumstances, to your atmosphere, that you were not able to prepare yourself to that standard? If you see from one angle, it may look very general that this is what the life is and this is what happens on planet Earth. But if you see from spiritual angle, there are plans for each body, there are plans for each spirit, and these plans, they need to be aligned, they need to be connected. If they are together, then whoever you are, whether you are a good spirit, good person, bad spirit, bad person, it doesn't matter. The whole science of our existence depends on our alignment, on our frequency, on our vibration. Now, let's go back to our subject, mudras, the science of mudras. Mudras, they help you to align with universal powers, universal energies. Once you get aligned with these energies, they help you to decode your life, the secret of your existence. And in this process, we are learning most powerful and the easiest mudra, which can be performed, which can be practiced by all of you. The name of this mudra is Pranam Mudra, Namaste Mudra. What it does, it helps you to connect with these forces in such a way where you are in a neutral state, where you're not asking anything, you're not praying anything. Actually, you are not doing anything. You are zero at the moment, you're neutral at the moment. When you are learning mudras, remember certain things you need to do, and remaining things will be done by divine forces. It is very much like the way how you grow in your life. Certain things you do as per your action, and certain things depends on the reaction of your external atmosphere. When you are cooking food, observe carefully. Cooking good food is your desire, your thought, but it depends on the vegetables, on the fire, on water, how they support your purpose. If fire is not favorable for you, let you have this desire too intense that I want to cook best food, it will not happen. Fire must support you. Like that, in mudra practice, you put your efforts and then allow the energies to work for you. So, both together, they will help you to gain the energy of these practices. What you are thinking, this is very important. While practicing, if you doubt your process, if you bring negative in your process, then negative will become powerful and you will lose. But if you become positive while practicing and keep reinforcing yourself with this positive thought process, then your action will become super powerful, and accordingly you will achieve your goal. You will receive the power, you will receive the fruit of your practice. How we practice, how we do a pranam mudra? For that, however you want to sit, please sit down, relax with your system, your body, your mind. Very gently join both your hands in such a way that all five fingers they are together. Place this namaste pranam in front of your heart chakra, in front of your chest, and then close your eyes. Now, when you are in this mudra, breathe gently. Inhale, exhale, very, very slow. Be gentle with your breath. Be gentle with your heartbeat. So, heartbeat will relax if you think easy, if you think relaxation, if you think about goodness, if you think positive, then your heartbeat will relax. Both together, your heartbeat relaxation and the relaxation of your breath, both together, they will make your body, your mind, and your spirit a very special container. As you practice, you will observe that how it is impacting you, how it is working for you. The pattern is morning, empty stomach, 10 to 15 minutes. Evening, before you sleep, 10 to 15 minutes. If you practice this mudra regularly, every day at same time, in few days you will start understanding the power. You will start connecting with these forces, and your transformation will take place. You will get to know about your own strength. You will know the potential of your body, your mind, your spirit. These are the immediate benefits, immediate outcomes of this special mudra. More you go deep with the practice, more the power you gain. So, practicing from 10 to 15 minutes, you can move to half an hour, you can move to 1 hour. And the time you reach the level of 1 hour practice, in a few days only, you will see a remarkable transformation. You will experience something very special in your life. And to practice mudras, to go more deep with mudras, the only thing which you need to remember is daily practice, disciplined practice. And you need to build unshakable faith for your journey. Life is bad because we are not putting efforts to correct our life. Life becomes good because we are serious about our life, we are serious about our existence. So, those who are growing in life, they are putting some special efforts. And those who are stuck now, they are not doing anything because they lost hope and they are not practicing. You need to make sure that you are in the category who believes who believes on practice and who is putting continuous effort to grow. Your mindset is very important. And same thing in mudras. Your spirit and mind, if they are strong, your body will grow, your body will evolve. And body is the visible container for you. When you see your own body growing, naturally you get confidence to work on your other aspects of your life. More you align with these practices, more you understand the secrets of these spiritual powers. This is for the day. Now we plan to meet again with your other questions, your queries. Take good care of yourself. Prayers for you again. Namo Himalaya.